Hi, boys and girls. Welcome to Tuesday, day 2 of week 7. First, we are going to do our math page. You are going to count the money like you did yesterday. Number 2 is doing time. Number 3 is figuring out how to do your word problem. 4 is greater than, less than, or equal to. And 5 is writing the flat surfaces. Boys and girls, the flat surfaces are the straight surfaces, okay? It's where it would be flat, not curved, okay? There is no curve in a flat surface. So, how many flat surfaces does this 2D shape have? How many does this one have? And how many does this one have? Okay, this one might be a little tricky because it's 3D, so they're trying to show you all the sides. All right, so that is for math. For reading, you are going to read this story and answer these questions in complete sentences with end marks. If you have to use your question to help you start your sentence, I suggest that, please. I want to make sure that you guys are writing complete sentences and not just answering the question, okay? And what I mean by that is I want the sentence to make sense, or your answer to make sense in a complete sentence, okay? And then for grammar, you're going to do, we're going to color, okay? And you have adjectives being yellow, verbs being green, and nouns being red. So you're going to color the little bugs according to what their word says on the little bug back, or the bug belly. So, like I said, adjectives are words that describe how something is. So, if I was describing a bug, I might say it is small, okay? Or I might describe it as yucky, okay? So things like that. You can describe the adjective is a describing word. A verb is an action. So something that you could do or a bug could do or something like that, okay? It's an action. And noun words are person, place, or thing. So it's probably going to be a lot of thing words in this one, okay? So adjectives are yellow, verbs are green, nouns are red. Okay, and that's 3 pages for Tuesday. And so you will be done after you get that one done. Thank you. Work hard. If you have questions, let me know.